Hey guys, as you know, after cryptocurrency exchange FTX went down and filed for bankruptcy, there were many stories coming up about Sam Bankman-Fried and his fraudulent activity managing the FTX and transferring part of the funds to Alameda Research. Recently, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong slammed Sam Bankman-Fried, stating this guy just committed a $10 billion fraud and why is he getting treated with kid gloves? By saying this, he pointed to recent Twitter-tweet exchange between Sam Bankman-Fried and Representative Maxine Waters of California, where the Congresswoman very politely asked Sam to attend the U.S. House Committee on Financial Services hearing next week. She tweeted, "We appreciate that you have been candid in your discussions about what happened at FTX. Your willingness to talk to the public will help the company's customers, investors, and others. To that end, we would welcome your participation in our hearing on the 13th. However, Sam Bankman politely rejected her offer by tweeting that once I have finished learning and reviewing what happened, I would feel like it was my duty to appear before the committee and explain, adding that he is not sure that will happen by the 13th. That's when Coinbase CEO stepped in and tweeted that this tweet exchange is simply bizarre. We should compare it to her tweets when she criticized Mark Zuckerberg back in 2019 when he wanted to launch new digital currency called Libra. She tweeted misuse, manipulation, discrimination, criminal activity, just a few of Facebook's offenses, and now they have the nerve to launch a big tech takeover in the form of a currency that would rival the US dollar. Is it 10 o'clock yet? Mr. Zuckerberg and I have a lot to discuss. What Brian Armstrong additionally noted is that Mark Zuckerberg haven't even been involved in a $10 billion fraud as Sam Bankman-Fried, but still was treated as some criminal by Representative Maxine Waters. And Coinbase CEO was not the only one who criticized Sam Bankman-Fried. Binance CEO CZ added that Sam is one of the greatest fraudsters in history. He is also a master manipulator when it comes to media and key opinion leaders. And I definitely support opinions of Brian Armstrong and CZ because having legal background myself, I cannot see how moving customer funds from FTX to Alameda Research is not a fraud, and I don't understand why Sam Bankman-Fried is treated in a special way like he didn't do anything wrong. What's more interesting is what Kevin O'Leary recently said in a CNBC interview on December 8th. By the way, for those of you who don't know, Kevin O'Leary was paid $15 million to promote FTX and be their spokesperson, and he confirmed this in this interview. From those $15 million, he invested $9.7 million into FTX. What I found really interesting is Kevin O'Leary stating that he could not access his $9.7 million not because funds are withheld because of the ongoing bankruptcy procedure, but because all of his account's data was scraped and all the data is lost. In the interview he said, "It's all at zero. I don't know because my account got scraped a couple of weeks ago. All the data, all the coins, everything." So my question is, how is this even possible? I mean, having a lot of followers makes it a little easier for Kevin O'Leary because he can get a lot of attention to this issue, but what about the average investor? How the average investor is going to prove that he had any coins in FTX exchange at the first place if all the data is scraped and it displays zero balance? Of course, it can be proven displaying bank transfers or blockchain transaction records, but this makes it so much harder for an investor to retrieve his funds. When bankruptcy of FTX started, investors were already left with very low probability of getting their money back, and now when the data is gone, it seems that the situation got even worse. After all of this has been said, my question is why Sam Bankman-Fried is still walking free. On top of that, he even tweets to Congresswoman back that he is probably not going to attend the US House Committee on Financial Services hearing on 13th. Guys, so what's your opinion on this? Do you think Sam Bankman-Fried shouldn't be treated as a criminal after this $10 billion fraud? Leave your comments below this video. By the way, if you are going to trade or buy cryptocurrency, then I would highly suggest using Binance, BitGet or Bybit exchanges, as they seem legit and can be trusted. You can register using my affiliate link, which you will find in the video description, and you will get up to $12,000 bonus. Also, don't forget to always move your coins to a cold wallet and don't leave them on any cryptocurrency exchange. As the saying goes, not your keys, not your crypto. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.